welcome to Sci-Fi Valley Con. I'm George with Monsters and More Radio, and we are here to do a costume contest. Is that what I'm hearing? I came the whole way from the grave for this. That's cool. All right, what we're doing tonight, we have 3 categories. We have ages 12 and under, we have 13 to 17, and then we have 18 and older. Where do I rank? That would be the older, wouldn't it? Okay. Wait, I forgot to do a form. Damn it! I always do this shit. You know, I always forget. I'm a bad comedy. All right, we have 3 judges here. We have Sally Fake, Master Costumer. Been in the business for over 40 years. Big round of applause for her. We have the superhero live from the city of Pittsburgh, Steelman. Oh yeah. All right, next up we have the Sultan of the Sci-Fi and also technical difficulties in the back. See what you did, son? You always cause trouble. The co-host of Monsters and More Radio on My Paranormal and other different channels, Miss Sci-Fi. Now the contestants are going to be judged on costume, entertainment value, and performance. Is that correct? All right, we're going to get our very first contestant, and that is going to be in the under 12 category. And I'm probably going to really ruin your name. We're going to have contestant number 1, Kathleen. She is Princess Organa. Come on up to her.
I gotta go fix that situation that's happening over there. So I want to wish everybody good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor.
Good luck, Captain, with your emergency. Can I come right over here? As you see, adorable folks. Absolutely adorable. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Incredibly scary to me, the dark and serious. It's the same block, there's no dark man.
And here is Peg Bundy visiting the convention. I don't think that's Al with her.
Yeah, enjoy.